hello everyone. We would like to greet the Queens.com that happy 5th year anniversary. And we would like to thank our President, Reggie Manginsay, and the officers of Queens and the members. We would like to welcome the newly members this year of our organization. Welcome and the new family of Queens.com. And we would like to thank our SK chairwoman, Sweetie Morales, together with the SK Kagawads and SK staff. Thank you for our supporting of our organization and helping people and share the values and the knowledge of our youth leaders of our barangay. Hoping that your help continue helping and continue sharing the skills that we have, and congratulations all of you, and thank you for accepting me since 2019 until present. Daghan kayong salamat, Reggie Manginsay, sa imuhang pagdawat sa kuha, especially sa atong sa imong mga miyembro nga gidawat ko ninyo from the Strangers Organization diha pod sa atong organization karon nga ako gibutaran ninyo as Vice President until present. Once again, congratulations and happy 5th year anniversary Queens.com. This is Dennis Alimpos, also known as Mami Kuko of Barangay 76 Sibukana. Daghang kaayong salamat ug dalaygon ang Dios.